Hey guys, Ryan here with D'Angelico Guitars at the 2019 Winter NAMM show in Anaheim, California. I wanted to take a minute to walk you through some of our new product offerings for 2019. Last year, for the first time in D'Angelico's 85-year history, we debuted our first ever solid body collection, and so we've got a couple of additions to the solid body lineup for 2019. To my right, joining the trio that we debuted last year of the Bedford, Atlantic, and Ludlow, this is the Deluxe Brighton. This will be available in both the Deluxe series and the lower level Premier series. This is based on the very successful Atlantic. It's sort of its twin brother. Instead of a single cutaway, we've got a deep double cutaway body, undersized body shape for extremely light playability. It's got a deep belly cut, again for comfort while performing. And we've also got a satin unfinished back of the neck on a slim C neck profile shape. So extremely comfortable, extremely performance-friendly guitar. The electronics on there, we've got USA-made Seymour Duncan 59 humbuckers, excellent pickup, really one of my favorites. And we've also got coil tapping tone knobs for push-pulling so that you can make your humbuckers into single coils as well. So a large breadth of tones coming from a very concise electronic setup. Excellent new product that we're very excited about. In the middle here, this has been a labor of love for me over the past 16 to 18 months or so. I've had the pleasure of co-designing this with Bob Weir. This is the Deluxe Bob Weir Bedford. So this is the second signature model that Bob has put out with us at D'Angelico and the first solid body that he's done. So it's based on our Bedford offset body style with the raised upper horn and the extended bottom right of the body. Extremely well-balanced guitar and extremely great for access to the top of the fingerboard as well. What makes this product unique, aside from its satin finish and its black pearl pickguard, is the electronics configuration. So in the neck and bridge, we've got stacked Seymour Duncan P90s, which sound like a P90 but behave like a humbucker because there's a dummy coil that essentially eliminates any of the noise you get from a traditional P90. And then in the middle, we've got a Lawler Blonde single coil. Extremely bright, extremely pointy, very much like Bob's guitar sound. And then for controls, we've got master volume and master tone, both of which coil tap to eliminate that dummy coil on the P90 stacks so that it opens up, it removes its noiselessness, but it adds that kind of standard P90 tone that everybody really loves. And then in addition to that, we've got a standard 5-way blade paired with a blender knob. Now this is a really innovative feature on the Bob Weir Bedford. Essentially what this allows you to do is blend in the odd man out. And what I mean by that is you're able to blend in to your liking the pickup that's not selected in your position. So for example, if you're on position 2 on your 5-way blade, which is your bridge and your middle, by rolling off the tone knob, you're actually allowed to bring in some of the neck pickup. So whichever pickup isn't selected, you're able to bring in however much you like of it. Makes it an extremely versatile guitar, almost unlimited tonal varieties available there. So that is the Deluxe Bob Weir Bedford. That'll be available in about April. And then lastly, one of the most popular D'Angelicos and has been since our resurgence in 2011, this is the XL Series SS, a 15-inch wide, fully semi-hollow single cutaway. Made famous by jazz legend Kurt Rosenwinkel, and this is actually a guitar that Bob Weir has done a signature model version of as well. USA-made Seymour Duncan 59s on here, coil tapping push-pulls for single coil sounds as well. And then we've got the Pa Faro fingerboard, split block inlays, standard D'Angelico headstock with the Grover tuners up there. Just an extremely quintessential part of the product line. So these are 3 of the products that we are most excited to debut in 2019. We've got a whole bunch more stuff coming out because we are the definition of restless. And I encourage you to check everything out on our website, D'AngelicoGuitars.com, or follow us on social media at D'AngelicoNY. Thanks so much for checking it out.